a big fragile box that's light as a feather and supposedly has old models in it that someone sent me. What could this be? Let's check this thing out. Every once in a while when you're at a model contest, you see a build or a couple builds or a model that you just, it's like, wow, that thing really catches your eye. You start looking into it, and the more you see, the more you notice, the more you like it. Well, it was actually a couple, 2 years ago, last year, 2021 maybe, at the ACME show in Atlanta, I come across a couple models that just blew my mind. I'll show you real quick right here.
Yeah.
So you got a little mill laying home?
Yeah.
Nice.
Want to take a picture underneath?
Sure.
We leave it on the trail a mile long. But you know what? This is why there's
Oh, wow.
Machine degree for in my chassis. You want to see underneath?
Sure.
But everything all good. But you know what? I've been there once, and you know what I didn't like about it? I didn't
Very nice.
That's exactly
Nice. You scratch built all that, didn't you?
Yep.
What all did you do to the engine?
Everything. At the heads or cast, the manifolds cast, from the 3-deuce manifold to a generator, scratch built all that.
It's nice.
I know. Yes, I know.
I like it. In progress. Oh yeah. All the louvers are real?
Yes.
How'd you do that?
By making them and cast them, and had a friend of mine resin cast them and incorporate them into the hood.
Wow. It is see-through. That is cool.
And I've also can punch louvers in 1/25 scale. I punched those.
Oh yeah? Is that truck cool or what? Man, that thing just blew my mind when I saw it. I'm thinking, where did he get the parts for this? What did he do? So I got introduced to Alvis, and he started telling me all about this truck, and basically everything on this truck was scratch built. He basically scratch built or machined everything on this truck and some of the other models that he's done. This flathead engine right here, that thing is basically all scratch built. He just basically machined everything. Just an amazing builder, amazing machinist, very talented man. Well, Alvis and I have been talking quite a bit for the last couple of years, and this year he insisted on sending me a Christmas gift. This is it. I haven't opened it yet. Light as a feather, so I got a feeling it may be a model. But anyway, Alvis is super excited about me getting this gift. He told me to open it from the bottom, so we're going to get this thing opened up, and he's excited to find out what I think about what he sent me. Let's get this opened up and see what Alvis said. This thing from the bottom. I'm going to be real careful here because I don't know what's in here. Have not opened this, so it's going to be a surprise. Just like you guys. I'll pull this out a little bit. Yes. Oh boy. Man, it's packed nice. You're not only a good model builder, you're a good packer. Wow. What do we got? What do we got? Well, I see a couple things in there. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh, I like that. I like that. The JoHan 64 Cadillac. Man, that is nice. I like that. That is nice. Let's look inside it. Ooh, love these caddies. Man, these are nice. Oh yeah. Look at this body. Is that sweet or what? That is beautiful. I've always wanted one of these cars. Thought, man, this would be cool to kind of like be a gangsta. Would gangsta. Alvis, thank you. And there's still stuff in that box to open up yet that I haven't even gotten to. This is nice. Thank you very much, sir. You know, if you guys want to see more of his build, let me know. I've got some more film footage of that truck. We can definitely make that work. A little tail lights to that. Let's see what else we got. Put him to the side. Alright. Something. What is that? I don't know what that is. We'll put it to the side just in case. Ah, another kit. I think there's even more stuff in here, guys. There's something else in there yet too. I don't know what it is. We're gonna find out. Let's see what this is. No MPC 60 Corvette. Check that out. That box art is just wonderful. That is so cool. Love the box art. Love that old MPC logo. How cool is that? Let's get this opened up here. Be careful. This box is old. There's the instructions. I love it on the yellowing on the paper. Isn't that so cool? That screams nostalgia. How cool is that? Oh yeah, that is really neat. I like that. Little trivia question for you guys about a Corvette. How many plants are there in the world that make Corvettes? And where are the plants, or where is the plant if there's only one? Nice, I like that. If you know the answer to that trivia question, comment down below. There's the chrome. Good old MPC kits. Man, I remember building these when I was a kid. No pie crust slicks. Very cool. Very cool. Let's put this to the side and see what else is in that box. Still got more. Oh, that's it. That is it. All right. It's very well packed. Just making sure there's nothing else in there. Alvis, you're not only a great packer, you're also a great model builder and a great friend. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.